Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a good day today and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. This just came in the mail a few minutes ago. This is one of my unboxings. This is from a company called Forever Link it's called Forever by Forever Link on Amazon, and this is my unboxing. This is what I bought from them. This is the name of the company. And I bought some sparkly shoes. I am definitely going to be wearing these over the weekend. Of course, I cannot wear these to work, of course, because I have to wear work attire, So I'll be wearing these over the weekend. They only had 3 of these left. I think they were considered blue or purple, but that's okay though. I will be wearing these. I think they have a little bit of blue in them too. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they had my size, which is a 6.5. They go up, but you just have to look on Amazon though. I really, really like these. They're super, super comfy. My friend has a pair, and she really likes them. And my mom also has a pair of these, and she likes them. And I'm the third person that has bought these. So I definitely, like I said, I cannot wear these to work because I have to wear my office outfits to work. But I'm going to wear this weekend. I'm going to wear these to brunch on Sunday. And these would basically go with anything that I wear anyways, with jeans and stuff. So I am super excited about these. These are very comfortable. My friend and my mom said that these are the most comfortable shoes that they have ever bought. And they do have different colors. They have white, pink, purple, blue, green, just like different colors. So you have to look on Amazon. And the name of the company is called Forever Link. So I am very excited about these shoes. I ordered it on Prime. They were like 25 bucks, which is, pretty good. So I got a new pair of tennis shoes, and I can't wait to wear these over the weekend. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comments. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.